Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. For those of you who don't know, my name is Katelynn, also known as KatelynnPwnz here on YouTube, Instagram, and Twitter. Today I am going to be using the Take Me Back to Brazil palette from BH Cosmetics. I've been seeing a lot of people getting these lately, and I've been in the market for a rainbow palette recently. I had my eye set on the Morphe 35B, but I was really disappointed to see that they had discontinued that from their line. So I have been kind of looking around looking for something that was like reasonably priced. I didn't want to go too crazy. So I saw these and I thought, how beautiful. And most of them are matte, and that's like exactly who I am, is a matte person. So today I thought we'd do a fun pink look. I really wanted to focus on this part of the palette. I think I want to do a two-tone pink. I was thinking about maybe like doing two really bright colors together, but I just thought, hey, look at my background. If I want to match, let's match, right? So all I have done right now is my eyebrows, and then I went ahead and just put a base on my eye using my Tarte Shape Tape and a little bit of powder. So I thought that'd be a nice base for these nice, bright, vibrant colors. So I'm going to go ahead and start off with this eye. Since I'm not really sure what I want to do, I'm just going to kind of jump in and we'll just see where it goes. And then once I'm done with this eye, I'll just replicate it on this eye off the camera as usual. And then we'll go ahead and do the face, which I don't think I've done on my channel yet. I don't think I've showed doing my entire face base with foundation and stuff. So, I mean, I have my summer tutorial, but I didn't use any foundation or concealer, so it's not really a full face. So this palette doesn't have any names for the colors, so I'll go ahead and put a picture up here of the palette as usual, and I'll just put like a little heart or whatever to show what color I'm going to be dipping into. So I think I'm going to take this nice pink blush color at the top. It's like the lightest pink in here, and I'm going to start using that as a transition shade. I'm going to take that on an E27 brush from Morphe. Oh, I always start off with this side. That's so funny. Actually, you know what? I think I'll do this side. So I am having to dip in quite a few times. It's not that vibrant of a color, which is fine. It doesn't look like it was that vibrant in the pan anyways. So we got a nice little transition shade down. So now I'm going to take my Morphe M505 and I'm going to go ahead and take one of these darker pink colors, and I'm going to start blending that over top of what I just did. So far, I am having to go in quite a few times to build up the opacity that I'm wanting with these colors. Even with a pretty matte white base down beforehand, I am having to build them. And then I always go back in with my E27 brush just to blend everything together. I do want to darken this up a little bit, so I'm going to go ahead and take an even darker color of pink. So I'm going to really go in with that neon and see how that shows up. It looks pretty packed on the brush, so we'll see. Just tap a little bit off. Okay, girl. That's showing up way better than the last two colors. Lots of blending. So now I'm going to take the darkest pink in the palette and I'm going to put that on the outer corner to try and deepen up this look a little bit. So I feel like I'm kind of getting the same color. Like, it doesn't really look like there's too much depth to it yet. So I think I want to try adding some of these other colors in to maybe try to enhance and deepen the colors. I'm going to go in with this lighter purpley shade. It is more on the pinkish side, so hopefully that doesn't make it look too cray-cray. But I'm going to go in with this purple color up here, and we'll see if maybe it adds a little bit of, like, you know, depth. Okay, that needs some blending. So even that purple, I feel like just kind of like, it just like melts in and it just all looks like one color. So I don't really know what to do. So I think I'm gonna cut out my crease and add some crazy colors to it. I'm gonna go ahead and take my little Morphe M421. And I'm going to take my God, I always say that. Take my Tarte Shape Tape, and I'm going to go ahead and cut out the crease. I feel like I'm holding my breath the whole time I do this. So I'm looking at this palette here, and I feel like the orange and yellow are really calling to me right now. So I kind of want to do like half of each on this cut crease, so it'll kind of look more like sunsetty. And then I'm thinking of doing a purple on my lower lash line. I think that's what I'm going to do, so let's try it. Let's hope it looks good. Okay, so I'm taking my little Morphe M433. Don't worry, it's just stained. So I think I want to do yellow on the inner corner and then ombre it out to orange because I feel like the orange will blend better with the pink. So I'm going to go in with one of these yellow colors here. I'm going to go in with the yellow and orange that are right next to each other in the palette. I actually feel like I need a smaller brush for this. So I'm going to go in, this is just a little Luxie 211. It's like a concealer brush, but I'm just going to use it to pack on this yellow. I'm going to take a Morphe B19. It's just like another little like concealer lip brush, but I like using these for packing just because they're really flat and they just pick up a lot of product. So I'm going to go ahead and go in with that orange right next to the yellow I just used, and let's see if we can get this to blend. So I do want to smoke out my lower lash line, but I think I'm going to wait until I do my full face and my concealer and everything like that. So I'll be right back. I'm going to go ahead and do this eye off the camera. Okay, so now that I have both eyes done, I'm going to go ahead and finish the rest of my face. That way I can smoke out my lower lash line and do my eyelashes and everything like that. So first off, I'm just going to take a makeup wipe and just kind of clean up this fallout that I have under my eyes here. I'm going to go ahead and apply a little bit more primer under my eyes since I did use a makeup wipe under there. So I use the Makeup Forever Ultra HD Foundation Stick. And if you're wondering for my shade reference, I'm 117 or Y225. You know, just put on a little bit of war paint real quick. on my face real quick. And then I like to go like a little, I mean it looks a little crazy right now, but honestly I go pretty light-handed with the concealer. I'm gonna go ahead and contour, and I haven't used this thing in a long time, and I've just been kind of gravitating back towards it. I don't know, I'm just kind of experimenting with the creams again. I'm going to go ahead and take my Anastasia Beverly Hills Cream Contour Kit in Light. I'm going to go ahead and go into the color Havana with my Morphe M459, just kind of like this flat brush. I've been using this for my contouring. It just kind of gives me a nice line to work with for when I'm blending. So now that I'm done with that, I'm going to go ahead and put on some blush. And I'm going to go into my Real Cheeky Party from Benefit. I'm going to take a Real Techniques, it's a contour brush, but I like to use it for blush. I'm going to go in with the Dandelion color right here. And then set the rest of my face. I'm using my, the Airspun, by the way, the Airspun with setting powder. Powder brush. This one is like an old ass MAC one. It leaves hairs on me. So let's go ahead and finish off these eyes. I'm gonna go ahead and go back in with my Take Me Back to Brazil palette, and I'm gonna take this nice purple color down here. It looks like the darkest purple that isn't on the blue side. And I'm gonna take my MAC 252 brush, my little handy dandy. So I'm gonna go ahead and take my little Morphe E36 corner brush, or little teeny pencil brush, and I'm actually gonna go in with my Alchemist palette from Kat Von D, and I'm gonna go into that pink shade Opal, and I'm gonna use that as an inner corner highlight and as a brow highlight. And I'm mainly going to focus it under my arch here. I'm not going to go all the way across my eyebrow. So now I'm going to go ahead and go in with my roller lash from Benefit. And I'm going to go ahead and mascara my eyes. So now I'm going to go in with my Intoxicating lashes from Flutter Lash. This may take a few minutes.
One eternity later.
So now that my eyes are done and the lashes are on, I'm going to go ahead and highlight this mug because that's something we can't forget. And I have been using the Liquid Frost Ice, I keep wanting to say ice cold. I have been using the FrostBite Liquid Frost a lot lately. Since I did my review, I've been trying it out almost every day, and I really like it. I like the wear. I've been wearing it without makeup, with makeup. And I have found the best application method is definitely with your fingers, especially if you don't want it to break up any of the makeup underneath. I'm honestly like afraid to use the button because I feel like it's just gonna shoot like the whole thing out on me. So I'm gonna go ahead and put on my favorite lip gloss that I've been wearing a lot lately. It's kind of funny because it's not like a big name brand or anything like that, but it works, so who cares, right? So I've been wearing the Liplicious from, I think you get these at Bath & Body Works. And this is the frozen Daiquiri flavor. And I think you can see in the bottle, it's just like this really nice, like peachy color, and it's super glittery. It's nice because I can almost use this as a lip topper because the peachiness doesn't really show through. It's almost just a clear gloss. And then the sparkle just adds like a really nice shine. Like, who doesn't want to be sparkly? And I've been wearing this like nothing underneath, honestly. I've been wearing it with no lip liner, no lipstick, nothing, and I love it. But I do also wear this over like liquid lips and it looks awesome. It is kind of like more on the sticky side. It is a very thick gloss, but it definitely, oh, okay. May put on a little too much. But there's no grittiness to it at all as far as the glitter, so that's nice. So last but not least, let's go ahead and spray. So that's it, everyone. Thank you so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed this look. I hope you found it fun and interesting. And if you want to see my mug once again, then please feel free to subscribe down below. Don't forget to comment and let me know what you guys want to see next. I'll also have my Instagram and Twitter linked down below if you want to follow me on there. I hope you guys enjoy the rest of your day. See you next time. Figaro, 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 Figaro. This is why I always wear it straight. It never looks good. Oh, I try to leave it natural. I try to curl it. No, it doesn't like me. I just want to give a shout out to my brother Trevor. Thank you very much for letting me use your microphone today because mine broke. He is my saving grace. Can anyone make any animal noises? I can do a pig. Does it sound like a pig or does it sound like I'm clearing my throat? Looking a little crazy. Are you guys annoyed at me yet? I'm really annoying. Who would have thought? Goodbye, goodbye, goodbye. Should I always end my videos in songs? Another question to be answered.